so today we're going to be doing a car racing challenge, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing 2 out of 3, and whichever one wins is the winner of this challenge. And we're going to start from here, and then this is going to be the finish line. The finish line, whichever car hits it, touches the finish line first, is the winner of that round. And if both of your guys' cars hit it first, like both of them, then that would be a tie, and I think you would have to do another round. I don't really know. But that's what I think you have to do. And so let's just get started. My car is blue right here, and there's flames. And most of the cars I picked were like challenging kind of cars, and this is why I like it. Thank you. My toys has this and this. Oh my God. Okay. Ow, my butt. Okay. Oh, be careful, Connor. Are you doing that on purpose? Ready? Go. Oh! I won! Bam! Ow. I won that round, so I'm a winner. Technically. Maybe I will, though. So, this car is a really good car. I know, just like that. Okay, so, now to the next round. This car is the one I'm doing. This car is like a cheetah kind. There's speakers, and it's like a jungle kind of one, and I really like it. I like the style of it. This one, my car is like this, and okay, let's just try this. Go. No! I won! I'm technically the winner, because the next round, I'm technically the winner. One more time, and I'm probably going to win. Trust me now. Okay. The next round 3 we're doing right now, and this is what mine looks like. It's so cool. I love it's like ending of a challenge kind. I like it because I like the blue and it's like I don't know what it's called, a wrench maybe. Yeah, my toe is like this. I love chocolate chip. Oh, my ankle. Okay, so let's get started. Ready, let's go. Oh, I won! My car was spinning the yellow. I